Hi guys, this was great timing in Jodhpur. I stayed with the Chaudhary brothers and they are lovely hosts and they invited me last night to stay at their farm. This farm is actually quite an amazing place. They have horses here, they have different species of cows and they have what they have is jeeps of different models from different countries, from different eras, including a Russian jeep, American jeep, and British. And they have a Java motorcycle from Czech Republic. They have Vespa scooter and a Lambretta from Italy. And other than that, the elder one, Deep Singh ji, took me to a safari, and he actually showed me quite a few special things around Jodhpur. And he's from the village,
Guda.
Guda, where we were this morning, where we did the sighting of domicile cranes. And here is his brother, who's like a Bollywood actor himself.
Namaste.
This is Dhanraj Bhai, and can you imagine that these two brothers had the opportunity to host no other but Andy McDowell? Yes. So Andy had come here, and she actually named this little buffalo Sophie.
Sophie,
That's
yeah.
true.
Yeah, go.
हाँ दी भाई.
Go.
तो आपने आप कितना दिन पहले आए थे?
Last year, December, November, December something. Hukum.
आपने लड़ सफारी करवाना है.
हुकुम जो आज आप टूर करवाए तो सेम टूर करवाए तो हुकुम.
So Andy McDowell checked the itinerary for me, and she did the tour, and then she told me that yes, Mr. Deep Chaudhary and Mr. Dhanraj Chaudhary, they are superstar people. I must say, they are lovely hosts. And what we are doing now, and is we are going to have a live. They are having. आपको नहीं?
My wife है वो.
So Dhanraj's wife is going to cook sogra, and in Marwar we call it hogra. Sogra is we don't pronounce s, so that hogra is being cooked. It's actually millet bread, which we call sogra, and that's what we are doing. Let me show you how it is cooked. But before we go there, Dhanraj bhai, Deep Sa padaro. And what I'm going to do is we are going to look at their collection of jeeps, and they're going to tell us which jeep is which year and what make. And look at these. Look at these chickens, all black. Kadaknath. The breed is called Kadaknath. And one by one we will explore and show all the jeeps they have. So, aaki jeep hai Deep Sa?
हुकुम CJ5B American Kaiser हुकुम.
So that's American
Short wheelbase.
Kaiser for you, short wheelbase. And
Toyota.
कितने साल में बनी?
70s हुकुम 1970s.
1970. And I can see a Toyota.
1976.
1976 a Toyota truck.
Toyota Land Cruiser हुकुम.
Toyota Land Cruiser. चाले?
चालू है हुकुम.
All these jeeps are in working condition. और धनसा आ गई गाड़ी?
Hukum, this is American Kaiser CJ6.
CJ6 American Kaiser. A long chassis है?
Long chassis.
Long chassis. And this is a special item. What is this?
This is a Russian Vaz set of a MiG plane.
A Russian was was.
Was UAZ.
UAZ.
Was 469.
आपने बमसारी है क्या?
Bamsari hukum. Yuvraj bana Bamsari बनाया ट्री हुकुम.
बमसा बनाड़ी गाड़ी है देखो. So is this jeep used to belong to my brother Yuvraj, who sold it to my friend Dhanraj here. So this is a Russian jeep in Rajputana in Rajasthan, in this middle of desert. And that's Ford.
This is American Ford from World War II, 1942.
A Second World War, 1942. What a prize! What a
Ford
jeep!
GPW.
We people of Rajasthan, we love our jeeps. I'm sure by now you can understand that. And I see a Jonga. This was the war between Pakistan and India. These were
These
very
are the. This is called hukum Nissan G60.
Nissan G60 Jonga made in Japan.
Made in Japan.
Made in Japan, and this is my all-time favorite, a station wagon. Look at that logo. everything is intact. Wow, Volkswagen. And here is our Indian Maruti Zen, and that's what it is.
There are Burberry goats.
And then he has, these goats, which are very, very tiny. And in a godim lone ekna. Look at this special breed, and they're albino, and ये किस breed है?
Burberry.
They're called Burberry, like the jacket people. Wow, this is, and they're very, very tiny. आप कितना 1.5 फुट री वाला?
1.5 foot tree, we नहीं allow.
1.5 foot भी नहीं वाला.
Okay.
They're about 18 inches high, and here is a beautiful Marwari horse, and he's big naughty. He wants to bite my hand. You're a good boy. And that's the Marwari breed from Rajasthan. Jodhpur is very popular with all these breeders, and Dhanraj Bhai and Deep Bhai, they have these beautiful animals, and they have a very nice mare which I would like to. कितना महीने रही है?
हुकम 3.5 साल हुकम और हिज हाइनेस रे कने
आपने जोधपुर बाजी?
जोधपुर बाबजी कने हुकम स्टैलियन थो राज प्रहलाद और बच्ची हुकम.
And here, and you know क्या नाम है?
Al-Dahab
Al-Dahab Ashwad. This is the name of this beautiful Marwari mare. She was sired by horse which came from the Jodhpur Royal stables. And uno naam kya?
Raj Prahlad.
Raj Prahlad. She is daughter of Raj Prahlad, the famous Marwari horse. And अबे इनके यहाँ आप शौक वास्ते लाए हो?
शौक वास्ते घर ही पैदा हुई हुकम.
28 पैदा हुई.
28 पैदा हुई.
So this is the love for the animals, and these Chaudhary brothers have done really well. It's a beautiful farm where you must come, and Bhai Sahab will take you to see the countryside. He will also showcase the desert and the Bishnoi community, and also you want to get into the picture. Come here. So even he's a lovely guide. He helped me a lot, and he has a lot of patience. Not, there will be many guides who can take you to places, but Deep Bhai has really taken time from his busy schedule, and he took me around with a lot of patience, and he was very forthcoming. I'm really thankful to both of you.
We are again
Deep Sa
thankful
Dhan
to
Sa.
you. Once again, we are thankful to you because you are promoting tourism.
No, I'm trying my level
which is one of the best thing. You are the first person who has came out with this idea to promote the tourism, and we are.
I want to
thankful
promote
to
my
you.
country. I want to showcase. I want to involve people like you, so that we can have our tourism back to us, and I hope the jobs will be restored. Signing off
Thank
from
you.
Jodhpur.
Thank you so
and
much.
I'm-
Kamagani and welcome to
These
Rajasthan.
people are saying Kamagani. That's our greeting from our land. So this is where I'm signing off. I'm leaving Marwar now, and I will be heading towards the heart of the desert. Bardmer is my next destination, but in between Jodhpur and Bardmer, I'm going to stop somewhere. I can't tell you that, and that's the surprise for all of you. So here I am with, look at that beautiful collection of those jeeps from different countries, different eras. What